Okay, so what we'll do now is we'll get our paint. So what I'm going to do to get the sky, I'm going to dip into yellow with my 1-inch brush. Because I got a bigger canvas, you might only need a 1/2-inch brush or maybe 1/4 inch. You know, you don't need... But judge it by, and it's a bristle brush, just judge it by the size of your canvas. Let's put some yellow on there. And we'll put the yellow on first and we'll just start adding colors after. So there's your yellow. Good. Nice. Now we want to work wet on wet because everything will blend so nice. Good. Just put your paint on there, your yellow. And this time what you're going to do is you're going to add a little bit of, let's try a little bit of red just to see on the corner of your brush, anywhere at all, just not long as it's not too much. So if you use the corner of your brush, you'll have a little control. So let's just add a little bit of red up here just to start and see how it's blending nicely because it's all wet. If that yellow underneath was dry, then the red would just cover up the yellow. It wouldn't be as pretty as it is. It would just be red on top of the yellow. The yellow will be all gone. But now let's see how you can keep the yellow. Isn't that nice? Now, let's get some more yellow. So you can keep your brush dirty if you want. And just get some more yellow. I'm just going to get some yellow. And you're going to need, if you got a 16 by 20 canvas, you're probably going to need a lot of paint. So get more yellow and come down underneath that. We're trying to work so it won't dry on us. See how that blended really nice right there? Isn't that pretty? So you may have to practice that. You know, you don't really need to practice a lot maybe because you know why? All you need is to have your paint wet. And if your paint gives you a hard time, then you spray it. See? Just get a little spray bottle and put some water in it and spray the canvas. Mist, I should say. Mist it. Just don't miss it. Now, yellow. Okay, good. Look at that, how pretty that's coming out. Isn't that nice? Good. That little bit of red there on top made that so pretty, didn't it? Let's go with white this time. So I'm just getting some white. Okay, just some white. And let's go on the bottom so we can lighten up the bottom a bit more. And see how that's blending in with the yellow? Really pretty. I never even cleaned my brush, okay? Same brush. Long strokes to blend it all together. One end to the other. Make it all blend so pretty. Now that's a nice little sky. See that? Just by keeping it wet on wet. You could add those colors and get away with it, okay? So let's go with that so far. And let's now, maybe we could start the clouds.